Yo guys, it is Maddox Haunts, and today we're at Home Depot to do their full 2024 Christmas store tour. Okay you guys, so we just made it inside the store and they have way more than Lowe's. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. And actually the first animatronic right here is the Hawaiian Santa.
I'm so excited to spend Christmas in paradise. Wanna head down to the beach and make some sand angels? Or maybe we could build a sand igloo. Or a sandman. Let's catch some waves too.
So he's pretty cool. He retails for $200 right there. Next, we have some really cool blow molds, some cows, some minions. Very cool. We have a lot of inflatables up. This is way better than, I already can tell this is way better than Lowe's. They have all sorts of inflatables. I already have that one. I have Frosty. I don't know where he's at. I don't think he's here. We have the Minion. I might be getting this guy because this guy is so cool. It's probably the best animatronic they have. The worst animatronic. Here are some really other, they have a lot of stock, by the way. They have so much stock. It's just piled and piled. It's taller than me. Here's some of the animatronics. Here's Donald Duck. So he's cool. He moves. Here's Minnie Mouse. There she is.
Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Not only green in summer's heat, but...
That's cool. Here's the Grinch.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Just plays the theme song. Next up we have Mickey Mouse.
Was the night before Christmas, when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
That's cool. So they all retail for $150 or $200. Those are very cool. We have some of the like the reindeer. I don't even know what you call these, but they're reindeer. Very cool. We have some inflatables over here you can kind of see. There's all sorts. There's archways. Let's go back over this way. All sorts of stock. Nutcrackers, Minion, light bulbs, ornaments, Christmas trees. But then moving over to this side, we have even more animatronics right here. We have the 6-foot animated Grinch. Retails for $199. So he's really cool. Here is Buddy the Elf. They did a horrible job on this guy. His latex is not good. His eyes, he just does not look good.
So maybe we can make gingerbread houses and eat cookie dough and go ice skating and maybe even hold hands.
He's just not good. We have the Nutcracker back there. I think he's already going. You can see his arms moving. He's pretty cool. I like his digital eyes. We have the 6-foot animated Wishless Santa.
Among the many names on my list, your kindness truly stands out, like a shining star on a cold winter night. Even the smallest acts of kindness can light up the darkest winter nights. Just like the glow of a fireplace on a snowy evening, your good actions bring warmth to others' hearts.
That's cool. Then they have down here, I don't even know what this, oh, right here. The 4 foot and a half animated reindeer, retailing for $200. He's pretty cool. I think he's broken because his head's like kind of like ruined, but other than that, he's pretty cool. Back here we have the $300 8-foot giant size LED towering Santa. You can kind of see him. He's pretty cool. He doesn't move. I don't know if his lantern lights up or not. But yeah. So generally, They have some Black Friday savings coming soon. Please do not peek. You can kind of see. It's all Christmas stuff. You can kind of get a good idea. They have a lot of stock though this year. They did an amazing job. Way better than Lowe's. Lowe's did not do a good job this year. They have all sorts of cool stuff. I will probably be getting that. Probably be getting that Minion. I thought he was going to be on display. He's not. A little disappointed. But yeah, so that will probably do it for the store tour here. Very good store tour. Let's just go back and look at the stock. They have 3 of the Nutcracker right there. This guy is probably the huge Santa. It's a lot. It really is. They have all sorts of Minion stuff. It's just a really cool. I'll probably do it for the store tour, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.